respond or hate or change. It's happening outside. I'm really mad about it because I don't want it. I don't want to be so let me just read you some of the tweets that I saw that Neil so we have this person and Josh, the person, stop your video, lol, at Taxiderm Gaming, and then we have a couple of emojis, angry video gamer, that has to do with anything. We got 439 retweets, and 12 quote retweets. It's not very nice. And then we have this one. Donald Trump becoming President of the United States of America, saying at me, I'm the President of the United States of America. Okay, that's, I hate you. Yeah, like way more than Cheap Josh's. And this, the whole population blocked me. And that wasn't very nice, and I'm gonna tell a parent and/or guardian about it. Yeah.